Hi everyone, welcome back to FixBond. Today, we have a portable Bluetooth speaker that's completely dead. The owner says it won't charge and refuses to power on at all when pressing the switch button. After a quick teardown and casing removal, we diagnose the root cause: severe poor contact at the charging interface port. In this session, I'll show you how to safely open this compact housing, rework the charging port, and get it working again. If you just want to know the fix, it's a loose charging port connection. But if you want to see the step-by-step soldering fix and the final Bluetooth testing with sound, stay with me. Let's get to work.